I don't even know what to begin. I just went to the barber to get a haircut. Oh, I can't even speak. But my chest is hurting, my hands are shaking. Look at this. I make hair content for a living. Like this is what I do. My guy, this is a coil. When he was cutting the hair, he put the Velcro straps onto the hair to make sure the hair was pinned up so that you don't cut a coil. When he was doing the fading or whatever, it looks like he went too far up. There's hair on top, don't cut it. Don't cut it. Look at the amount of hair that is unwinding off of this coil. This section of my hair is now not going to be even wads of hair. Hair grows about half an inch a month. Look at how much hair is gone. You can't, there's literally nothing you can do. Like, I'm about to go back inside, but like, what are you gonna do? Like, the haircut was $40. This doesn't cost $40. This is how I get paid. Like, this is not equivalent to $40. I'm trying my hardest to stay calm. Like, all I could do is like laugh, but it's not funny. It's not funny at all. This is just unwinding off of the coil. I've never had something like this happen ever before. Look at, oh my gosh. Somebody might just say, well, it's hair. It's not that serious. It's not that deep. Listen, your hair is an extension of who you are. Like, this is how I represent myself. But even more so, it's how I make money. Bruh. Bro. So what are we saying? Are we restarting? Y'all come to me all the time for advice. This is one time I don't know what to tell you. I don't know.